As we start our next module, let me ask you a question. Are you or do you need to be looking for a fresh start in your financial life? Have you faced challenges such as bounced checks, overdrafts, or even incarceration, making it difficult to access traditional banking services? Don't worry, there's good news. Second Chance checking accounts are here to help. Second Chance bank accounts are specifically designed to give individuals with a less than perfect banking history the opportunity to re-enter the financial system. These accounts often waive check systems reports, which banks typically use to screen potential customers for risk factors like previous overdrafts or unpaid fees. Here's how they work. Eligibility. If you've been denied a traditional checking account due to negative items on your check systems report, you may be eligible for a Second Chance account. Features. These accounts offer basic banking services such as deposits, withdrawals, bill pay, and debit card access. However, they might have higher fees or lower limits than regular accounts and may not offer overdraft protection or other advanced features. Rebuilding your credit. By responsibly using a Second Chance account, you can demonstrate financial stability and improve your check systems report. After a period of good account management, you may be able to upgrade to a regular checking account with more features and fewer fees. Let's recall the key learnings we have covered in this training. Here are some key points to remember. Second Chance accounts are a temporary solution to help rebuild your banking history. They often come with fees and restrictions, so it's important to understand the terms before opening one. They offer an opportunity to demonstrate responsible financial behavior, which can pave the way for access to better banking products in the future. In this module, we will delve deeply into non-cash payment applications such as CashApp, Venmo, PayPal, Zelle, Chime, and more. These applications are tailored to address the requirements of small business proprietors by providing them with convenient and efficient financial management tools and facilitating seamless business transactions. By the end of this module, you'll have the knowledge to find local banks. Identify banks in your area that offer Second Chance accounts to individuals with past financial difficulties. Meet the requirements. Understand the qualifications needed to open a Second Chance account and start fresh. Master the basics of writing checks. Learn to identify the key parts of a check and fill it out correctly. Navigate debit cards. Understand the information on your debit card and how to use it responsibly. Track your transactions. Efficiently record your spending and deposits using a check registry. Embrace non-cash options. Explore various digital payment methods for receiving payments and paying bills. Understand debits and credits. Grasp the fundamental difference between debit and credit transactions. Discover non-bank payment processors. Learn about alternative platforms for processing sales and managing your business finances. Financial empowerment starts here. Whether you're rebuilding your financial standing or simply seeking convenient payment solutions for your business, this module is tailored to empower you on your journey to financial confidence. Now, let's get started.